As we bring back in Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley. Derek, an alert day you guys have issued for tomorrow, and again, has to do with those wind gusts.
Yeah, we could see wind gusts, at least in our area, up to 50 miles an hour. Western Maryland could get up to 60. So we've got some strong winds on the way, but at least the temperatures are going to be.
Hey, at least it's been warm.
Yeah, yeah, this afternoon we had highs in the 40s to near 50, and we're going to be well into the 50s here for tomorrow. So let's talk about what's next. Quiet here for tonight. Still chilly. Temperatures overnight into the mid-30s. And then we're going to be looking at windy and mild weather here for your Wednesday. As I mentioned, those winds are going to be gusting close to 50 miles an hour at times across our area, especially during the afternoon. And then Friday, we've got some wet weather on the way. And so no talk of any snow or ice. It's actually just going to be a good soaking rain here across our area. But the good news is it's going to be in and out of here just in time for the weekend. So not expecting any showers here for your Saturday or Sunday plans. Here's a look at the wind advisory across the area. It includes northeast Maryland, parts of central Maryland, and far western Maryland, out towards parts of Washington as well as Allegheny County. We've got a high wind warning in effect. That's where we could see wind gusts approaching 60. So really these winds are going to start ramping up late morning into the afternoon, especially as a cold front makes its way through the region. We'll see those gusts approaching 50, could bring down some tree limbs, and also could cause some power interruptions here for tomorrow. Nothing too widespread, but it does look like that could be a problem, at least from time to time throughout the late morning and afternoon. We're in the 20s and 30s now, mid-30s, as I mentioned, here for tomorrow morning with a southwest wind at about 5 to 10. Plenty of sunshine in the forecast for tomorrow, but it's this system that we're watching here. Now, the brunt of the precipitation with it's going to be tracking well to our north, but it will drag that front through our area, and that's when we expect those winds really to start ramping up into the afternoon. So as you can see, beginning about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, continuing through the evening rush, this is when those winds are really going to start ramping up. And as I mentioned, we're going to see some gusts in excess of 40 miles an hour, maybe even approaching 50 at times. But look at these highs tomorrow, mid to upper 50s across the area with those gusty westerly winds. Thursday looks cooler and quiet, but then the clouds are going to increase quickly. Notice here by Thursday evening, we've got clouds thickening, and then we have rain in the forecast here, really starting Friday morning early and then continuing off and on throughout the day. But it looks like this thing will be out of here just in time for, looks like, the upcoming weekend. All right, here's your alert day for tomorrow. 57 degrees here for tomorrow, then getting colder tomorrow night down to 28. Alert day for the winds. Cooler on Thursday, rain and breezy here coming up on Friday. And then for the weekend, we'll see highs into the 40s under a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky. And it looks like next Monday we'll be back to around 60 before the temperatures go right back down with highs in the upper 30s to near 40 by next Tuesday.